Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call Your Mom on ukulele. First, let's cover the 4 essential chords you'll need. These are C, G, M, and F. For the C chord, place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. For G, use 3 fingers across the 2nd and 3rd frets. M uses 1 finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and F uses 2 fingers on the 1st and 2nd frets. Practice these shapes until they feel comfortable. Next, let's master the strumming pattern. The main pattern for this song is a simple down, down, up, down. Try to keep your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. Focus on hitting all 4 strings evenly. Start by practicing this pattern slowly with a metronome, then gradually increase your speed. A steady rhythm is key to making the song sound great and feel natural. Now, let's look at the song's structure and how the chords fit in. Call Your Mom generally follows a verse-chorus pattern. The progression often cycles through C, G, M, and F. Pay close attention to when each chord change occurs. For example, you might play C for 4 beats, then G for 4 beats, and so on. Listening to the original song will help you internalize these transitions. To truly master Call Your Mom, consistent practice is essential. Begin by practicing each chord and strumming pattern individually. Once comfortable, try putting the sections together slowly. A metronome is a fantastic tool for improving your timing. Finally, play along with the original recording. This will help you match the feel and tempo, making your performance sound polished and confident. You'll be playing it in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.